Hey, I'm Alex. I'm Marc's Mobility. In this video, we're going to go over the newest release power chair by Golden Technologies. This is called the Cricket LT. I'm assuming that also means Cricket Light. This is going to be the lightest weight X-frame folding power chair currently on the market to date. This particular chair, if you were to remove the battery, the cushion, the cup holder, and a few other cushions below the main cushion, you can get this weight down to 25.8 pounds. If you were to just remove the cushion and the battery, it does come in at about 27 pounds. This is going to be the lightest X-frame carbon fiber folding power chair currently on the market today. Now, this is going to have a 300-pound weight capacity. This particular unit is going to come with one 10-amp lithium battery. That's going to be about 240 watt hours. So that's going to get you up to 9.5 miles of drive distance, but that is going to vary based on the user's weight, the terrain, and how you are driving the chair, similar to driving in the city or driving on the interstate. Now, this is going to top out at about 3.7 miles an hour. And I do want to mention as well that you will have your battery located on one side. You do have a slot where you can put a storage battery on the other side, but it does not pull off both batteries, so you would have to swap the batteries from one side to the other to be able to charge it and to have power inside the unit. Now, before I get into some of the other folding aspects of this unit, a couple things that I noticed that were pretty good on this unit is in between the armrests, you are going to have about 18.5 inches. Now, down here where you have your arm supports, you are going to be a little over 20 inches. So down here more by the hips, it's about 20 inches, but do notate in here in between the arms, it's 18.5 inches. Now, armrests do flip up and completely out of the way. This is also great as well because most chairs, when the arm flips up, you are going to have an arm support underneath here at kind of a diagonal angle. So if you're anybody that slide transfers out or wants to rotate and get out of the chair, just giving you a heads up, there's no obstruction here to get out from the side. And once again, the armrests do flip up on both sides. It is going to come standard with a cup holder, and then obviously your joystick is going to go on the other side. So when you are putting one of these together, yes, you can flip-flop and put the joystick on the left and the cup holder on the right. It is going to come with a nice removable cushion as well. So underneath there, you are going to have another smaller cushion. So if you wanted to sit a little lower to the ground, you could take this main cushion off. I'm going to give you the measurements of what it is going to be with the cushion on. So it's going to be about 20 inches with the cushion that they send with the unit. Actually, I'll say maybe 21 inches with the cushion they send with it. If you take that cushion off, you can get lower down to about 18 inches. Yes, you could still sit on the other cushion, but this is a very nice upgraded cushion that they are going to send with it. So that is a nice thing. I would probably keep that on there for overall comfort on the unit. Same with the backrest as well. In the back here, you are going to have a little pouch, but if you do lift your pouch up as well, which we can show you in a video overlay, there is going to be some straps to kind of strengthen the tension of the backrest as well. So depending on how the user wants to sit in the unit, minor adjustments in the back. Another great thing that they have on this unit is they are going to have foot plates that do flip up. So if you want to get in or out of the chair, that's going to be nice. And then they also fold inwards as well. So you can make this chair pretty compact. What they're listing, the overall width of this chair is 24 inches. I like to always measure the chair as well to see what I'm getting. So it looks like outside of cup holder to the outside of the joystick here is going to be your widest point, and I am getting 24 inches as well, and overall width on this unit. For the overall length, we are getting 36 inches. I like to see if that's with the footplate or not, and that is with the footplates as well. So that is a very good thing to notate that some manufacturers don't always list the overall length with the footplate, but this particular unit does. Now, this is going to have a 29.5 inch turning radius. That's going to be due to because pretty much every folding chair is going to be a rear wheel driven unit, which means your motors are located here in the back. Once again, you'll see in a picture overlay, these motors are going to be offset because you have to have that when you have any type of X-frame folding chair. Then over here, I'm going to show you the battery. The battery is going to be located over here on the side. You are going to have a button here in the front. Take two hands and you can pull the battery off. You are going to have a charging port right here on the side of the battery. But once again, if your battery's in the unit, you can charge this right through the joystick. But this is nice to be able to take your battery inside if you don't need your unit, and you can charge it directly through here. And once again, it is a 10-amp battery, which is 240 watt hours. So anything under 300 watt hours is going to be approved for airline travel. Then you're also going to have a little quick gauge over here as well that's going to show you your percentage of charge. So once again, it is pretty easy to put back on. It just snaps into place. And once again, you are gonna have that on the other side as well. But that is not gonna have a power source to it, so you would have to switch it over here to be able to drive the chair. But once again, if you were to double up the batteries, well, now you're talking you can get somewhere up to 19 miles of total drive distance, which is gonna be more than sufficient for most people when they're traveling. And you are able to travel with 2 airline batteries as well. So some people get nervous about that, but as long as they are both airline approved, you are able to travel with both batteries. Now the tires on these units are going to be a full-size solid tire. This is going to be about an 11-inch rear drive tire, and then in the front you're going to have about a 6.5-inch front caster wheel. So there's not going to be anything crazy suspension on this unit, but if you do stay tuned in this video, we're going to do a little driving demonstration outside, and I can kind of tell you how it feels with me sitting on this unit. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the cushion off because I want to show you how you fold this unit. So once again, very nice cushion that they come with. From here, you do have little latches in the back, and you are able to take the backrest down. And then from here, underneath this little cushion, you are going to have 2 handles. So if you were to take these 2 handles, what you want to do first is flip your foot plates up because they will run into each other when you go to do this X-frame folding. And then you're just going to lift and then push the unit together. So now once it is fully together, these foot plates can flip up in this direction as well. So now you're getting a very compact unit. What we're getting in overall height is going to be, it looks like the top of the joystick. It's about 30 inches to the top of the joystick. While your unit is folded, I'm getting about 28 inches in overall length. And then if we're talking width this way, it still looks like we're going to be outside of cup holder to the outside of the joystick, about 11.5 inches, just under 11.5 inches. If we were to squeeze it, we can probably get it to 11 inches in overall width. So once again, very, very compact unit. To then unfold the unit, you simply just push the 2 sides of the seat down, then take your foot plates, fold those back down to the normal position. Take your backrest handles, lift both of those up till they click back in place, and then simply go ahead and put your cushion right back on the unit. Now the seat cushion on here is going to be 18 inches in width. I told you you have 20 inches in between the actual hip space, but 18.5 here in between the arms. And it's about a 20 inches in depth. Yeah, about 20 inches in depth. So once again, that is a pretty good size seat for such a light X-frame folding power chair. So now if you would, go ahead and follow me outside. I'm going to do a little driving demonstration on this unit. So what we have here is that Cricket LT. This is going to be that 3.7 miles an hour top end speed. I mentioned earlier it's just a little under 30 inches of turning radius because it is a rear wheel driven unit. But once again, this is very comfortable. I'm about 6 foot tall, about 215 pounds, and I fit very comfortably in this chair. Now it is rated for 300 pounds, so depending on how tall and how wide you are, might make a difference, but it is gonna be nice with that 18.5 inches in between right here. But even where my legs are, my hips, you're a little over 20 inches in between there. You can see obviously a really small turning radius. It is a very comfortable chair, and it is a very quiet chair as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna drive it over here in the grass because a lot of people take these out to soccer fields and baseball fields. So follow me over there, we're gonna see how it performs. All right, so now we're gonna do a little driving outside and see how this power chair performs over here in this type of grass, because people are going to take this probably soccer fields, baseball fields to watch their grandkids play. You can see if I'm just trying to turn it a hard 90 degrees, it doesn't have a ton of power, so it's typically recommended to kind of turn more at a 45-degree angle. It's gonna give you a little bit more power. So once again, this type of terrain is okay for somebody at 200 pounds. If it was really soft bottom or really, really thick grass, it's not gonna be intended for that. And once again, it is an X-frame folding chair, so you feel a little bit of the chair flexing when you're on a non-flat surface, but overall, the seat cushion's very comfortable. And once again, if you're looking for X-frame folding and lightweight, this is gonna be one of the best on the market currently to date.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.